TEHNOLINK was established in 2005 and is located in Chennai near Novi Sad. It engages in producing, selling and servicing power equipment, primarily diesel and gasoline electrical generators. TEHNOLINK has a system for remote monitoring and control of electric generators through the Monitoring Center, a device for measuring noise level, contactless temperature, airflow, vibration measurement, etc., as well as via the latest mobile testing system for generators of 700 kilowatts. The equipment has been certified according to the Lloyd Register, and the results obtained have been confirmed and recognized on the European market.